Hello everybody, welcome back. It's been about 2 weeks since we put down our fertilizer and all of our nutrients and everything. And yeah, as you can see, we've had some absolutely crazy growth here. So I think, maybe we're getting the grass right where it needs as far as grass health. Still needs a little bit of filling in, but we've been having some crazy weather. A couple of days where it's 70 degrees and the next day it drops down to 30. It's been raining for the last week. So let's get the first mow of the season in, see how she looks. And of course, got the striper on, so we'll throw on some stripes. So I'll give this a mow and I'll see you guys in a little bit. And there we go. First official mow of the season. Got some nice stripes on it. So stay tuned. We'll see what else we have to do with this grass. Of course, gonna clean up the edges and everything. Hope it was a little bit sunnier, but got some nasty clouds overhead. Stripes would pop even more with some sun. And also thanks to this little thing. If you guys are interested in how to build one of these things, I do have a whole playlist of how I built this thing. Sorry if the quality sucks on those videos, so I just started. But yeah. Anyway, thanks again, and take care.